How to log in to your Citibank credit card account. Welcome to a new short video of 1 to Step everyone. In this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can log in to your credit card account of Citibank. So make sure you keep watching this video until the end if you also want to successfully log into your account. So firstly, you'll need to visit the website of Citibank, which is citibank.com. Now once you search for this, you'll land on the website, which will look something like this. And on the right hand side of the screen, you can see this sign in page. Now to log into your account, you'll need to fill in these details. Firstly, type in your user ID that you created while you signed up. And if you want this device to remember your user ID, then next time you log in, you can check this box, but only do this step if you're using your personal device. And in the second box, you'll need to type in the password. If you happen to forgot your user ID or your password, you can click on the forgot user ID or the forgot password link, and from there you can follow the steps to recover your user ID or to reset your password. So once you successfully reset or recover your user ID and password, you can type it in and then click on sign on. You can also do the same using the mobile app of Citibank, and you can log into your account using the mobile app as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily tutorials just like this. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below.